Hey everyone, welcome back, Jenny here. Today I'll walk you through the process of creating a 12-chapter nonfiction book using Instant Author. Whether you're writing a guide, a how-to book, or any other nonfiction project, this app will help you get your ideas on paper in no time. Let's jump right in. First, from the Profile dashboard, navigate to the Outlines page. If you haven't created an outline yet, click on Generate Your First Outline. Or if you have outlines, click Generate New Outline. In the Generate Book Outline page, fill in your book details. For this example, let's title our book Creating Vegetable Garden. Next, select your genre. Since this is a nonfiction book, we'll choose nonfiction from the dropdown. For the number of chapters, let's set it to 12. Now enter the book description. Grow your own vegetables with ease. From choosing a spot to harvesting fresh produce, this simple guide covers everything a beginner needs. You can add characters or research materials here, but for this project, we won't be adding any characters this time. If you want, you can search for relevant research or add your own. Next, let's select our AI model. We'll choose GPT-4o Mini for this project. Now set the language to English, and for temperature, we'll keep it at 0.1 to ensure the content is clear and concise for nonfiction. Finally, click Generate Outline to create your outline. Once the outline is generated, review it to make sure everything looks good. You can edit and save changes if needed. Now that the outline is ready, it's time to generate the book. Click the Generate Book button. Select the content type. Choose Nonfiction. Then, choose the reading level. Since this is a beginner's guide, we'll set it to middle school. For word count, let's go with 50,000 words. We won't enable enforce minimum chapter length this time, so the generation can vary slightly per chapter. Next, select GPT-4o Mini again for the AI model and set the language to English. Keep the temperature at 0.1 since it's a nonfiction book. Now, if needed, you can add a pre-prompt. These instructions will be added before the system prompt, allowing you to modify the AI's behavior while keeping the selected system prompt. But for now, we won't add a pre-prompt. Next, choose a system prompt from the drop-down. This is the base instruction given to the AI for writing chapters. You can select a predefined prompt or you can customize it to fit your specific needs. For this project, I'll choose gardening to keep the focus on gardening topics. Finally, add any additional instructions if you have specific guidelines for the AI. This is optional, so we'll skip it for now and move on. Let's now click the Generate Book button. Once your book generation job is created, click View All Jobs to monitor the status and progress of your book. When the book is generated, you can click View Book to see the final product. If everything looks good, click Download Book to get your manuscript. And that's how you can create a 12-chapter nonfiction book using Instant Author. In the next video, we'll dive into a manuscript evaluation to see how our book turned out. Stay tuned.